Hello and welcome to the 4Q channel. Today what we're going to be cooking is lamb shanks. Who doesn't love lamb shanks, especially on a cold winter day? They're easy to do, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our trusty friend olive oil. Nearly blew myself up there. Okay, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, or a quarter of a cup. Great. And then what we're going to do is we've dusted some lamb shanks, so just a bit of plain flour. That'll give a nice little crust, make the sauce thicker as well. So that's all good. Grab your tongs and you'll start to see it'll start searing. Also you can use rice oil too if you want to. But this is quick, so we're not going to be too long on this. Take out the crust, chop the onions, a bit of stock. We're going to put some tomato paste in there. Glass of wine. Get that steam off. Then we're going to add some more beef stock to this. Beautiful. Just 2 tablespoons of tomato. Some thyme as well. Some bay leaves as well. Give it a little tiny mix. Bit of cracked pepper, a little bit of salt as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to throw a lid on it and we're going to pop it in the oven for about 3 to 4 hours, just see how it goes. And we're going to do it on 160. So we'll be back. Okay, so that's roughly been around about 3 hours. I did have a little bo peep around about the 2.5 hour mark just to see how things were going, and yep. So here's the result. There you go, 2 beautiful shanks. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'll take these out and let them rest just for a couple of minutes, and we'll come back and plate it up for you. Thank you. Okay, so we're back and we're going to plate up. So, as you are all aware, lamb shanks go fantastic with mashed potato. Now I do have a video of me making this mashed potato and it is fantastic. Be sure to watch it because it's all, doesn't give you any lumps. So we're going to put that right there. Next we're going to grab our lamb shank and we're going to place it right on top as so, and just make a bit just like so. Yep. And then that beautiful veggies, you know, we had the carrots and the onions. Yep, you can just plate them up around also. You can also serve this with some green steamed beans as well if you're wanting some green vegetables to go with it. Okay, there you go, your carrots. And now comes this beautiful sauce. And what we're going to do is, whoops, got a bay leaf there. Don't want him there, so I'll put him over there. And yep, there you go. And then just to be a bit fancy, just give it just one little streak there. And always remember, make sure your plate is warm, it's been in the oven. Okay, and just presentation is all about your eyes cooking, looking at food as well, and feeling hungry when you see it. And last but not least, just a touch of fresh parsley goes really well as well. And there you have it, a beautiful lamb shank with some beautiful mashed potato and veggies. And like we say, someone tells you you can't cook this, just say fork you. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.